Hello everyone, my name is Victor and I'm a proud member of Super U Display Group. And in Super U, we specialize in shop fitting services and customized display furniture manufacture. So we have been in the business for over 16 years and we can do both design and manufacture and production, and we can also help you guys with the shipping. And so today I'm going to introduce you guys to a project I just finished for Madagascar customer. So this is a motorcycle project for a motorcycle shop. As you can see, the brand name is called V-Moto, and this is for a Madagascar customer. So let's see here. So this is a counter we made for the workshop. So let's imagine we are in the shop right now. This is the shop front and this is the back side of the workshop, and the clients will have their motorcycle being fixed in this side. So this counter is made with MDF with veneer and applied a layer of varnish on top, and for the below it is made with painted MDF. So we can choose the color and the pattern of the MDF veneer as our clients likes. And here we have stripe decoration. It's also customized. We can customize the pattern and the logo and even the measurements. Okay, so this is the swing door. You can open, and this door can also be flipped up, so the motorcycle can go through here. So here is the cabinet, display cabinet made for our clients. So for this cabinet is mainly for motorcycle helmets, and the material we use is painted MDF, and on the backboard we have MDF veneer. Also we have LED light under each shelf, which is customized, and there's a cabinet below for storage, and we also have locks and keys. So we can customize the shape, the measurements, and also the material. And for this one, this is a display cabinet in the shop front. For the backboard, we have perforated pegboards and also adjustable shelves. And there is a circle of LED lights on the entire display. And this is a light box we have for advertisement. And the material we use for the backboard is powder coated steel. The color is black. And for the shelf, for this shelf we made with MDF with melamine board. So and the entire cabinet body is made with veneered MDF. Okay. So for this one, this is a goggle display for motorcycle goggles and motorcycle glasses. And we have customized logos. So the logo is made with acrylic, and there is a light box behind the logo, and we have LED light under each shelf. The entire cabinet is also made with MDF. The black part is painted MDF. The backboard is wood veneer MDF, and we also have a storage cabinet below, and locks and keys and everything. I think this is a very good design. Looks very beautiful. And for this one, so this is our QC personnel and our very professional colleagues here, and he's doing inspection. And for this cabinet is exactly the same, but the measurement is different. So as you can see, the distance between these two shelves is larger. So for this one, I think is used for motorcycle helmets. And LED lights and everything. And for this one is a storage cabinet we use in the workshop of the entire space. So this is made with powder coated steel for the entire structure, and inside this part is made with melamine MDF. So this part is for storage, and you can have different tools on the board. Also we have this, I think is soft film light box. You can change the images like here, and there is a LED light behind it.
Okay. 放着吧，放着吧，直接。
And so this is a display shelf we made for displaying motorcycle jacket. And so this one is pretty simple. The structure is made with polycoated steel, and the backboard is made with linear MDF. Also the top shelf and the bottom board also made with MDF. And so we have light box above with PVC board, and all this is adjustable. You can take it out and adjust to different height. So the shelf board is adjustable also. So this is the display cabinet. Glass cabinet we made for our client. It's mainly for, I think it's for watches and some customized helmet. So the entire cabinet is made with steel, powder-coated steel frame and tempered tempered glass on top. And there is a sliding door backside, so you can put your product inside for display. And we also have a storage cabinet below. And so there is 4 of them. So this LED light customized inside of the cabinet. This is the reception desk for the entire shop. The countertop of the reception desk is made with MDF linear, and you see there is a LED light under the entire countertop, and the lighting is custom made, and you can choose different colors. And the entire body is made with powder coated MDF, with painted MDF. So there is a stripe decoration for the body. And you see there is blue LED light underneath and yellow LED light under the countertop. Okay, so this is the customized logo for our clients, and the logo is made with backlit acrylic, and there is an MDF layer on top. So as you can see, very beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. That's pretty much it. So if you guys have a shop you need design, or you need us to manufacture furniture, please call us and reach us on Alibaba. Thank you.